I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. By the way, this time I would like to introduce the fourth dish using SHIO-KOJI. This is an introduction to Shioyakisoba, which Japanese people also love. Let's get started. This is ingredients. Cut lemon, vegetables, and bacon. Boil water in a pan and boil the egg noodles. On the other side, heat olive oil in the fry pan and fry vegetables, bacon, and mushrooms. Boil it a little harder as it will be fried later. Once the ingredients are cooked, add boiled noodle, white wine, cover and steam. I stopped adding white wine because the instant noodles were soft. Add salt, pepper, and SHIO-KOJI, then stir. Please adjust the amount of SHIO-KOJI while tasting. Serve on the bread and sprinkle with lemon juice. Thank you for watching until the end. I have one news. I made a website. This was made for a purpose of letting many people know that Japanese food can be easily made. Please visit the website in the summary section below. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.